Hi everybody, if you have a problem with your LG Magic Remote, here are some troubleshooting tips. First of all, be aware that if you do not move the Magic Remote for a while, the remote switches to standby mode and the pointer on the screen disappears. To bring the pointer back on the screen, shake your Magic Remote or just roll the scroll wheel. If none of the buttons on the remote are working, try replacing the batteries. Also, if the batteries are almost empty, it could be that there is just enough power to switch the TV on or off, but not enough to use the pointer on the screen. When you replace the batteries, make sure to use new batteries. Do not mix old or used batteries with new ones. Be aware that buttons such as the on-off button control the TV via infrared light. Therefore, you have to point the remote in the direction of the infrared receiver on the TV. Also, make sure nothing is blocking the infrared receiver, for example a soundbar. If your TV does not switch on, first check the following. Make sure the TV is plugged into the power socket and then check if you can switch on the TV with the on-off button on the TV. If your TV still does not switch on, something could be wrong with your TV. In that case, contact your local LG help desk. If you notice that you can control the TV with the buttons, but not with the pointer on the screen, the Bluetooth connection with the TV might be gone. In this case, you can re-register the Magic Remote by pressing and holding the guide button. Hold the guide button until you see the message that the Magic Remote is re-registered to your TV. Make sure that there is no Wi-Fi access point close to the TV. If you notice you cannot control the TV with the pointer on the screen, the Wi-Fi signal could be interfering with the Bluetooth signal between the remote and the TV. This is how you can troubleshoot the LG Magic Remote. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.